Besimazonzo isimo elokishini eNaledi namuhla njengoba izakhamuzi kulendawo bezixosha abanikazi bezitolo zabokufika. Kuphazamiseke nokufunda ezikoleni ngenxa yemashi yabafundi neholo inhlangano yabafundi COSAS behambisa izikhalo zabo ehhovisi lomnyango wezokuphepha esifundeni.
We as Congress of South African Students are writing to actually address the alumni the situation regarding the unregulated operation of spaza shops in our communities.
Emva kokwethula uhlu lwezikhalo zabo banxuse ukuthi zithathelwe phezulu lezi zikhalo.
Sithi Comrade Justice Galonkulu siyacela ungasikhohlisi ngoba wakhohlisa abafundi eSoweto awuphindi ungene.
Ovele ehhovisi lomnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi lesifunda uthembise ukuthi maluthathela phezulu lolu daba ngoba liqala ukwenzeka kulendawo.
It had happened last year on the same area, on the same month, almost on the same date. We work with the city of Johannesburg, who are just a post here. Sizayithatha le memorandum sise to the CM, the city manager of city of Johannesburg, as well as the speaker of council.
Abanye abanikazi bezitolo zabokufika bathi abasoze badayisa izinto ezihanjelwe isikhathi bona ngoba bayakuqikelela lokho ongenani akubhekwe izinkampani abathenga kuzo impahla.
I can't making product the food. When it was something happened, I was checking the expire date. You come the date, I can't check the inside. So, but the people, it was something happened. The company, you must checking of the something make, for example, Nickness, Mazimba or glucose, whatever.
Okhulumela amaphoyisa esifunda eGoli uBrenda Moridiri uthi bengeze isibalo samaphoyisa ukuqapha isimo.
The station commander of Naledi police station is currently at the police station engaging with spaza shop owners from the whole policing precinct as well as community policing forums to find a way forward so that they can be able for now to ensure that there is a stability in this area. They are engaging the spaza shop owners to at least those in volatile areas to move their stock and evacuate the place.
Kuvalwe zonke izitolo zabokufika kulendawo kanti abanye babonakala beqoqa impahla emathilomu kulendawo.